In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Minecraft background images. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a custom main menu background. So first, before you actually go inside of the game, go over to the launcher, access your installations, and in here, you need to change the resolution to a square. Usually, the best course of action is to change it to 1024. Now what you have to do is go ahead and join a world where you will be taking the screenshots to set up your custom background. So I'm gonna take some screenshots in this exact location. So press F3 to see your coordinates, and now let's center ourselves. To do this, you will need to TP yourself to the exact middle of your coordinates where you want to center the screenshot around. Before you begin taking the screenshots, make sure that you have your FOV set to 82. A lot of people have reported that 90 FOV does not work when 82 does the trick. So try using 82. If you notice that after you go through this whole process the images do not line up, then you can set it to 90. So to keep it short, try this process with 82 first, and if it doesn't work for you for whatever reason, then you try with 90. Now, find the specific coordinates that you are on. For example, I am on -35, 83, 115. To line yourself up in the middle of this block, just do TP at P or at player and then type your specific coordinate 0.5. So you just have to type the coordinate that you are on followed by 0.5. Then set up the height. You don't need to add 0.5 to the height and then add 0.5 to the other coordinate. Now first, you want to go to -180 space 0. This will set up the rotation and you will be looking completely straight. Now go ahead and take the first screenshot. Now rotate yourself to -90 space 0, do the same thing, and essentially, as you can tell, we are rotating around, facing all directions. So we're gonna go from -180, 0, to -90, 0, then 0, 0, 90, 0, and we don't have to do 180, 0 because we already did this location. Now what you have to do is do -180 -90, which is going to look straight up, and then you can do +180, +90, and take the screenshot. Now with all these screenshots taken, we have to make the actual resource pack. So go over to your .minecraft folder and go into the screenshots folder. You should see all of them here, and they should be ordered by date. So you have to rename them to panorama_0, then panorama_1, all the way through 5. Now you have to create a name for your resource pack, so I'm going to name mine custom BG pack. I recommend that you don't use spaces. So create a folder for your pack, and now create a folder called assets, Minecraft, textures, GUI, title, background, and then drag and drop all of them here. So I'm going to delete these old ones that I was testing, and then you will be able to drag and drop them inside of this resource pack folder that you have made. Now go back to .minecraft, access the resource pack folder, and then you can just drag and drop the resource pack that you have made inside of here. If you have any other resource pack available, either on zip or in the folder format, you will need to copy the pack.mc_meta file. So copy this file from any other resource pack that you have, click edit in Notepad, and you will be able to change the format to 16 if you didn't modify any textures, and change the description to custom BG pack. Make sure that you save this, and once it is saved, it is ready to be used. So now all that you have to do is go over inside of the game, go into the resource packs, and if you did everything properly, your resource pack should be here and the images will line up. Now, if they don't line up, remember that you should try to use 90 or 82 FOV. For me, 82 FOV did the trick, but a lot of people have reported that 90 also works. You should try to use both and see whichever works best. I recommend that you try 82 first, and if the images don't line up properly with 82, then you try using 90. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Minecraft background. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.